In 1998, Apple Computer surprised the world with the design of its new desktop computer, the iMac G3. In 2002, Steve Jobs' company took another radical leap and launched the iMac G4. Known as the lamp or the sunflower, this beautiful piece of technological design was available with 15, 17, and 20-inch displays and PowerPC G4 processors from 700 to 1250 MHz. Last week, visiting my parents who did some sort of thorough cleaning during the pandemic, I found among some boxes my old but much loved iMac G4. Originally, I had a first one in 2002 which I used during my graphic design studies at university, and a couple of years later I sold it to buy a Power Mac G5. In 2008, I found these machines for sale online at about $100, and without hesitation I bought it. Perhaps out of nostalgia and because I truly believe that it is a very beautiful system. Sadly, I do not have the original keyboard and mouse, but I have the incredible Apple Pro speakers, which are really awesome. This one is the 800 MHz model and 50-inch TFT screen. When I bought it, it only had 256 MB of RAM memory, which has never been expanded, a 60 GB hard drive, and no airport card. The mechanical arm-mounted flat panel display can move in almost any direction, causing it to feel like it's floating in the air. Now it's time to turn it on and see if it works. Currently, this machine is running Mac OS X 10.4 and Mac OS 9.2. which is very fluid with so little RAM, and it managed to run applications like Adobe Illustrator 8 without problems. I would like to show you that in another video to show you the functionality that these old machines have in 2020. The original SuperDrive unit was replaced by the previous owner, I suppose because of a malfunction or to have a newer or better one. I'm very happy to have found my iMac G4 and see that it still works. They are beautiful computers and I would love to upgrade it and put it to good use. Sadly, because of the current situation, I do not have the resources to do that. But if you are an enthusiast of Apple or retro tech and you would like to see the restoration and upgrade of this computer and a series of iMac G4 in 2020, and you want to support me, like the video and subscribe to the channel for further retro tech reviews. And why not, you may be interested in making a donation to support this project to buy the missing pieces or send them. All help will be welcome. I will leave more information below in the description. This is all for now. Thanks, and until the next video. Bye.